Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to add a line break. So for example, I will create a paragraph with the paragraph code and I will set in here into first, second, and third. Now you can save the file and then open into browser. There will be no line break in this paragraph. So if you want to create, you can add new code br like this, and we create again in the seconds br, and the third also add for the br code. Now you can save and open in browser. So I will refresh. It will be automatically create a line break. Okay, that's it for basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to add a line break.